Number 4. Number 4 cylinder misfire. Let's take off that. Exposes it. Appears to me that you can take a there's a lever there, take those off. Lever there, take those off. And slide those up. Thinking probably those too. 12s. This one has to come off. There. What is that? 12. We'll see. Take out these probably so you can, as much as you can expose number 4. Shoot. And that lifts up that whole rail. Take all these off. Pushing there.
Now we got WD-40 when we put them back in.
Took out number 4. Here's a new one.
No sé. Primero salirme y luego de ahí.
Gently put it in. So it feels like it went in. Lining it up. Moving the rubber grommets. Line that up.
Tienes que tener 3/4 del tanque a lleno.
Oh, okay.
3/4.
Forget to tighten that one up. It's a ton. Hook up this one there. I guess it goes around like that. And there. Oh, good. Oh, good. Oh, good. Those are down. That's in. Wanted it to snap, but I ain't doing it. Those are tight. Those are tight. Yes. That's the new one right there. I made sure those were as down as they could. Tighten those up, loosen them up, so I can try to, because they rub against here if it's not loose. But, did everything I can. Another day in the life of, working on cars, That's what's up. Much love and, thank you.